Yela ndigqiba realize ba during the course yale video umthetho wami ke kwakudala xa ndisitya ndiyathanda ugcina ukutya here ecaleni. So most of xa nibukela apha you probably will see ba ndithanda ugcina ukutya so ndithethe, you know. So yeah, I was editing so ndavele ndaqaphela loo and I was like manivele ndi-address before iqala ivideo so you guys can see it ninga-YouTube xa niyibona. Yeah, so
For my dogs in the catcher, roll the cookie, dump the ashes. BB's on my neck, so I gotta keep the ratchet. Top out my respect, got a game for
all the jewelry, they gon' notice me. Birds in the trunk singing like Jodeci. I tip a bitch cause of my courtesy. And do a show, pick up my currency. Versace slippers, color burgundy. Rappers be talking, think they hurting me. I took it so make her come work for me. Keep the Draco case in emergency.
Sure guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here today, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So in today's video I'm doing a get to know me, I think it's called the get to know me tag. So if you have watched the video before this one, Connie, there's a specific part and I'm gonna post a post on Facebook where ndibuza when ndicela abantu basically to share kanye to ask questions yabo, then I'm gonna come and address them here. I did the post, I posted the post earlier this morning, and yeah, some people commented and then some really posted thank you for lonto. So ndiye ndabona kuba because it's not a lot of people abaye bakhomenta and andiziphinde ndibe naxesha to be able uba ndenze le nto because evekini I don't have time. So ndayana online and ndasearcha a few questions. So ndizothatha eza questions bazibuzileyo ndizidibanise nezi zilapha yabo, and then I answer them. Apha I have noodles netapile. Sitapile yethu nje yabo. Yeah, and then ginger. This is homemade ginger. And homemade ginger. So yeah, before kuba nokutya kwami, let's not waste any time, let's just get into the video. So ndizoqala ngeza questions basic ku Facebook on the comment section ku Facebook, and then ndize ngezinto ezifumene online. So the first question is, what are your annoying habits? Mhlambi, what habit omnye umuntu anayo, what habit someone has or someone does that annoys me, like pet peeves I think. Abantu benzala wethi like nah, yadika lanto and ewe xa une-sinus sometimes fanele uyenze nako umike ivakale but iyabhora man, like ufike mhlawumbi hlele ecam komntu and then babhizi nah. I think that is my annoying habit. Another one, I think people who like to call. I don't like calls. I don't like calls, like trying to text them now. And most of my friends and abandoned communicating with, they like calling back on the phone. I don't like calls. And I know by your foolish under here or not, but I don't. Do you think it's possible to stay friends with your ex? Do I think it's possible to stay friends with my ex? Hey. I wouldn't say friends. Because my friend is someone that I can trust, someone that I can tell everything to yabo umuntu enomxelela yonke into and whatnot. So if you're my ex, I don't think my friend yam, because I don't think as ex yam I'd be able to tell you. Let's say I have problems with my current relationship, and then I have to go and confide kuchomi yam. If as my ex kuchomi yam, obviously azokwazi ukuxelela uba clear relationship nikuwe kwenzeka into enje nanje. But I think it also depends on the by relationship yenu injani. But I don't think bana I can be friends with my ex, but we don't have to be enemies, yabo. Kube ngiyabona le post in Facebook ithi bana like khona need about to bana I'm your ex, like khona need to chazelwa like lo why ex yam like zayithi lo info izawuthi lo info. So yeah, I don't think we can be. I don't think. Do you think it's possible to stay friends? I don't think it's possible to stay friends with your ex. Or let me say with my ex. I don't think it's possible. Masingabi zichomi. We must be able to coexist with one another. Yeah, masazani, but singabi zichomi lo mhlobo, you know. Yeah. Next question. How do you deal with negative emotions? How do I deal with negative emotions? And because I don't talk. I wouldn't say I deal with negative emotions. Like if I'm feeling I'm gonna go and talk to so and so. I don't do that, bruh. And I think manditi I put a lot of positivity. Kulo negative emotion, I try to put positivity. For example, when we start the way I YouTube channel, obviously basically negative emotions and negative thoughts, but like no. But like at the same time, what do I have to lose? So if I have negative emotions, I don't know, I try by all means to find something positive, something that makes me happy. If I'm feeling a negative emotion, maybe I can listen to music, to my favorite song. And I try to put the positive. I try to see the positive window that is negative. So the way I deal with my emotions, I try to see the positive in the negative. And because that is what I wanted to say, but the next question. What does commitment mean to me? Commitment, I think, first and foremost, commitment means trust. If I'm committed to you, then I should be able to trust you. You know? Yeah. Commitment means trust. Be committed. I think commitment is, I think it's another word for trust, because it's one and the same thing. If I can't trust you, I cannot commit to you. If I cannot commit to you, I can't trust you. So commitment means trust. What are your telltale signs that you stressed that no one would know about them? I think the question is, when I'm stressed, what signs do I show but only Umtu cannot notice? I think so. When I'm stressed, what signs do I show? When I'm stressed, I shake. And I know abanye they shake when they're scared. But when I'm stressed, I'm shaker, and it is a teta pana. I'm not gonna stick with you one. So that in teta lane and being teta here, because for Ubam and best stressed, there has to be a lot of things happening at a specific time. So that in I think these signs are not one husband is stressed here as well. And if I keep quiet a lot, I think I'm not away, but if like in the two and take away, but at the same time and too long, you know, So if you're born by like ndithule kanye personality yam namhlanje like maybe I'm stressed, but I'll never talk. You'll never hear me saying ba I'm stressed into nje. I don't know, just notice a shift okanye a change in my behavior, okanye notice a change in my personality, then yes, but maybe I'm stressed, like stressed in nya. Otherwise, kaphandle kwalondo, I don't think you can notice. If there was a parallel version of you, what things do you wish the Leah to do you've never done, you never would? Okay, if there was a parallel version of me, zeziphi izinto endinowisha uLeah azenze endingazenzanga endinganozenza. English like nikumsha kakhulu kwezi questions. To do that you've never done. Yeah, if there was a parallel version yam, zeziphi izinto endinofuna uzenza endingekazenzi endinezinto endingenozenza. If there was a parallel version yam, I think into endinofuna uyenza endingekayenzi would be to like stuff everyone else, like do what makes me happy, yabo. Do what makes me happy, bruh. To an extent where like I don't care who says what, because right now I think all of songs now alone, but some people have reached to a level but I don't care what you say, like I don't care who says what, I'm just gonna do me, yabo. So I feel like uLeah bona, if there was a parallel version kaLeah bona, I would want him to be true. I would want him to be true to himself. I would want him to not be the people pleaser and trying to please everyone. I would want him to put himself first. Yabo. Okay. The next question. What do you feel most passionate about? I'm very passionate about music, bra. Yo, kakhulu. Yeah, that's what I'm passionate about. I think it's music and this and content creation, basically. This is no sense without anyone forcing me to bandizenze. I do them any given time. Yeah. The next question. Who has been the biggest influence on your life? The biggest influence on my life, it has to be my mom, bruh. Mama, she has been the biggest influence. She has had the biggest influence. First of all, she has no friends. I also don't have friends. Nah. I think I said something like similar to this. Video. There's a video here up on talking about toxic friendships. Up on the show, I'm not a person on it with me, and when I'm at home alone. I don't have friends, bro. If Ninazi show me, you're probably gonna be my friend because sifuna sobabini kanye sisebenza sobabini sidibane esikolweni, yabo. But we never like arrange okay, let's go out, yabo. So uyichomi yam because nisebenza nawe kanye uyichomi yam because ndifuna nawe. You're not my friend because uyichomi yam, you know. And growing up, bendinazi chomi like la ways doesn't mean, but now I've come to realize Lando, let's say I have one friend and then uzazane chomi yakhe, lo uzane chomi yakhe. So it was just a group of friends. I would befriend someone and then yena azane chomi zakhe. So bengathi like sizichomi sonke. I used to befriend people abane chomi ezininzi, so it seemed like I have ichomi ezininzi, yabo. But yeah, as in cooler, no shade, but I don't know how to explain it. I'm just not a person. I like people a lot, but still I'm you know. My mom is a hard worker, bruh. Mom is a hard worker. Now I believe I'm not smart. books wise, because she has a lot of certificates, graduate, she has bachelor's, there's a lot anayo, and I feel like she has put a lot of influence, influence in a way, because now I don't think I'm smart. Bakhona abantu who are book smart, then bakhona abantu who are hard workers. Now uyathanda ukuthi she's a hard worker. Now I believe I'm a hard worker, yabo. Xa sekufikelele ezincwadini I'm a hard worker, yabo. Mama is the person who the biggest influence of women. Yeah. The next question is, what is on your bucket list? What is on my bucket list? I want to go to Cape Town. Probably next year. I have to go on a vacation in Cape Town. I want to go to Cape Town, even if it's for a weekend or a week. But I want to visit Cape Town badly. I don't think I've ever been to Cape Town. I think I have, but I was young, so I don't remember. So I want to go to Cape Town. How do you decide what to tape on a given day? I don't decide what to tape. For example, if I'm doing a vlog, I just show something in like it's gonna make great content, like abantu bazoyithanda. I try, but I don't plan about because this is that I do on a daily. The things that I show on my vlogs, this is that I do every day. So I don't plan about so today I'm gonna tape this and this and this now, unless it's a sit down video like today. So if it's a sit down video now, I have to plan about I'm gonna do a sit down video about this topic and this and this and this and this and this. Yeah. What are your favorite values in friends? My favorite values in friends. Asba. I think now I consider my friend, but I consider her as family now, because the values that is for in friendship unazo, and I never thought about seeing this as big close because when we met in high school, basically this close, but then luckily after high school we went to study NW1, so we created a bond. So we values unazo, not sure what is the values, but sense of humor. That's a fun home. I'm not sure if that's a value or what, but yeah, that's a fun home. And mandikwazi uxelela into knowing very well but you got my back, because umzekelo bendiqoba umxelela something now, I knew ba akazonjudge, like I knew that ba akazonjudge, she would never, but at the same time been so eager, but that I knew but she's not gonna judge me, but kuthe after ndigqibo ichaza, and then kwatsho grand, because I'm not expecting judgment, very excited, no. Who is my celebrity crush? Whoa, do you guys know Mihlali Ndamase? Yo, Mihlali Ndamase, bruh. Mihlali Ndamase. That is my celebrity crush, bruh. That is my celebrity crush. Yo, Mihlali. I even watch her content and follow her on Instagram. Yo, Mihlali. That is my celebrity crush. And I don't consider her as a YouTuber or a content donor. She's a celebrity. Mihlali Ndamase, baby. Please. What is your favorite thing about doing this YouTube channel? My favorite thing about doing this YouTube channel is just creating content. Just having a camera and creating content. And where it's a place where I feel like I can be me, like I can be myself. Like I don't have to put on a facade, but like to pretend, like I can be me. It's either you take it or leave it, bruh. So that's my favorite thing about this YouTube channel. And another thing, because I'm studying marketing and I want to study digital marketing, So I was like, mandenze like a YouTube channel, yabo, izongena kahle, because I want to do digital marketing, and YouTube channel nayo it's a great platform, yabo, to help Glondo, yeah. And then when did you first realize yeah, I don't think I'll be able to read this question. Sorry about that. But for the sake ya lo muntu osendele question, and the question is send ku WhatsApp. Ndithetha nawe ngoku. The question is send ku WhatsApp. When the questions zakho kama uzifake on the comment section of Facebook, uzifake ku WhatsApp. I was 16 doing grade 11. 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, it was 4 years ago. Yeah, go and you realize, okay, what's happening? What's it? But now, yeah, now it's cool. Now I'm getting the swing of things. Yeah, so I was 16. Yeah. How many pairs of shoes do you own? How many pairs of shoes do I have? I have it's my Nike Evans. I think it's 9 or 10 pairs. Yeah, in total, I think it's a total of 9 to 10 pairs of shoes that I own. What did you want to be when you were a kid? I wanted to be a doctor. I wanted to be a doctor so bad. So bad. But that in Africa grade 10 was like physical science and pure math. I was like, nah. I'm not going. I'm not doing that. I was like, what? Because the math in grade 9 showed me flames. I passed, but it didn't zima. So I was like, nah. Yeah, but now you have to must shy U10. Let's do a U10. Must try this new zindo. So I wanted to be a doctor, but not anymore. I wanted to be a doctor when I was in primary, and then when I was like in middle school and high school, it was in high school before grade 10. It's either was going to be a doctor or a lawyer. But now, totally. Now, I still want to be a lawyer, but one thing I need to realize, do I want to be a lawyer? Yabo? I'm just going to have a gown and then I'm going to be in court. Like, Lando is why, like, the process is class court, like, like, it's about like, do I really get the meaning about what does this really mean? I'm big gown and then I'm gonna be an advocate. Yabo? I hope you guys get me. Yabo? So I wanna stick to marketing, but I still want to do law. Come on, like I'm still young. After this marketing, I think I have to do something law related. Let's do like 5 more questions and then we're done. When was the last time you cried? Oh, the last time I cried. But not to a point where till tears fall down my eyes. So that's why kunzima to remember. I don't remember when was the last time I cried. The last incident in the Kumbulayo, though, it was last year December, and I was not hurt. Dandinomsindo, like I was dandinomsindo. Davele Puma. Pof normally dandinomsindo and Yalila. I cry. Then Dabanomsindo na Puma, then Dakala, then yeah, the Sweden business, and then built up more, and then I came back. Sahlala bantu bathetha yagrand yabo. What is your current favorite song? That song will always be my favorite song. That will always be my favorite song. No seasons, nezinye mani eziphumayo, like zintswimpu, no lies. but bro, and I think that was his first song. I'm not sure, but that is my favorite song. Yeah. The next question: what is my ice cream flavor? My favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla ice cream. Which is a favorite sport? I think it's soccer. Rugby. William be confused. Okay, who's it? And I feel like he must A lot of people don't watch rugby. Don't watch rugby. I feel like rugby bugelwa as because it's representing South Africa. Let's watch it as a nation, not necessarily because we love it or we understand it. So I think it's soccer, and I think soccer it's everyone's favorite sport because it just brings people together, man. Bola, in a togetherness, in a love, just so it's soccer. I think Zipelele, I have to do a part 2. Not namhlanje, but I think those are the questions. Those are the questions that I'm gonna answer. Yeah, manoko phansi ndagqiba. Phofu ndiqobile ayo. Yeah, guys. Let me know. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. And let me know if you would like more videos like this. And you guys don't comment. Please comment and leave a like. When you leave a like, the channel, the video is suggested to many other around YouTube so that more people can see it. So please like, please share, please comment. The more you comment and the more you like, the more YouTube suggests my videos to other people. So I'm gonna do a part 2, maybe. I don't want to say when, but I'm gonna do a part 2. I'm gonna do a similar video like this one. Man, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.